Carbon capture prevents carbon dioxide emissions from smokestacks or removes them directly from the air. We can't reach net zero without it, especially for cement, steel, chemicals, where renewables alone can't do the job. But here's the hot spot. Carbon capture sits at the center of mistrust. Some fear it prolongs fossil fuels. Others hope renewables alone will solve the problem. Both fall short. Done poorly, carbon capture props up fossil fuels. Ignored, it leaves us without the tools to meet climate goals. Progress takes a portfolio, not a silver bullet. Renewables and carbon management, they go hand in hand. Wind, water, and solar power our clean future, while carbon capture and storage tackle what renewables can't yet reach. The fossil sector, with its infrastructure, its expertise, can help accelerate that transition by putting carbon back underground and reusing it in ways that replace fossil feedstocks. Scaling up takes decades, so we have to act now. Despite political shifts in the US, over 100 capture projects are still moving forward. Iceland locks carbon in basalt rocks. Kenya uses geothermal to power carbon capture from the air while expanding its electricity access. China combines CO2 and hydrogen to make sustainable aviation fuel. Each adapts to local resources, proving there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The real hotspot is this moment. Do we wait for a perfect solution, or do we build the portfolio we know that we need? If we choose collaboration across sectors, borders, and generations, carbon capture can help safeguard the climate and strengthen our shared future. Thank you.